Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Tucked away in Christopher Drive, Stony Hill, is a hidden valley of 1.5 acre of land. Great for development, investment, or just to call your own. The land is also very fruitful and fertile and is perfect if you envision having a variety of fruit trees around you. There is a 4 bedroom, 4.5 bathroom house, which is about 80% complete with 2 living areas, dining room, large walk-in closets, indoor laundry area, etc. The master bedroom has a beautiful balcony. The house can be completed and easily made as your dream home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.